Alright, so I'm on to the plug and everything. Um, we need to put the screws now. 1, 2, 3. Remember, we have a fine thread that needs to go here. So you have all the connections. You have this connections right here. That is where you're gonna connect your daylight running. I have cables in here. Continue with that in a minute. I'm just gonna secure that light now. During the installation of the light, while I was fitting it, I noticed that I'm missing this part. So you have to remove this out of the stock light and attach it to your Alpharex, and it should be good. That's how the bumper will clip in some of the places right there. And then I'm ready to put it up. In my experience with aftermarket lights, a lot of them are not exactly right, and they touch in this area. And I had a little bit of a problem with that one. I don't know if you guys can actually see it right here. I was feeling it and it touched it and it scratched the paint a little bit. So I have a tape. It's like a little bit spongy, and I put them in there all around the area. Stick to it and put it around the area where the side piece go, so it won't touch directly to it, and it creates a little bit of a space, and it won't scratch the paint. So that's the one width. That's the one. I already run the cable. I connected right here. It's really hard to see. And see if I can actually show you on the other side. But I run it up, some double-sided tape so the cable will stay there. There. This is where it connects. So I'm gonna connect everything in the back later. Goes down here. I hope you actually see it. So that's what the connection does, and what I did is just put some heat shrink protection in it. So that's what I did. So the lights are now all hooked up. I'm gonna run the daylight right after I put the bumper, because I want to put the bumper back up now. Alright, so I'm gonna put the bumper again in, see how it goes. I don't want to turn them on because the battery's still off. I want to connect the whole thing. Actually, I'm going to test it before I put a bumper in, so I'm going to test it in a minute, okay? I finished the installation. You have the positive. I tap it directly into the battery. You have the cables going in here. This is your fuse for the inline. You have your box for the daylight running, the connection to your lights. You have the ground here, and the fuse box that goes connected in there. It's for the running daylights. I'm gonna end up adding another separate fuse box in here for all the lights that I have, and then just get one power directly to the battery to that fuse box and get all the connections from there. The lights are already plugged in, connected. I'm gonna see how they look. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights, see how it look. I'm gonna start with those are regular beams. I'm going to switch to the high beam. Very bright. The next one is blinkers. I'm gonna do stopping lights. So they are sequential. They match the side mirrors. They look pretty good. I don't know, I'm gonna continue to put the bumper back up. Okay, so everything is secure. I know I mentioned in my video the collision sensor. I have to lower my bolt guard, the front grill, because it was almost right here with the collision sensor, so it was giving me another message. So what it did is just bring it down so it clears the pad a little bit more. Let's see if I don't get that error message anymore. Secure the bumper on both sides. The lights are connected.